How you can create a Google Meet link for free. Hey guys, welcome to tutorials.globally.com. In this video, I will practically show you how you can create Google Meet link for free. Open Google Chrome and type Google Meet. Open this link. Here you can see new meeting. Click on it and choose suitable option for you. If you want to start meeting instantly, choose this option, and if you want to create a link for later, then choose this option. Here is asking for microphone and camera. Allow it. Choose allow this time only. And here you can see our meeting has been started. If you want to share your laptop screen only, just click here, present now. Now after that, it is asking you for screen recording permission, and now let's see how you can give it. Click here. Here you can see Google Chrome. Allow it. If you don't have any important work open in your background, then you can quit and reopen instantly. And if you have some work, you can click on later. But I am choosing quit and reopen to show you how it works after that. After quitting and reopening, you can present your screen easily. Click on it and choose which type of screen sharing option is suitable for you. If you want to share any tab, then click on the particular tab. If you want to share window, or if you want to share the entire screen, then choose this option and click on share. Now after that, whenever you are ready and you want to share the link of your meeting, you can copy from here, or you can also copy it from here and send it on social media or like any group or WhatsApp group. When anyone click on that link, they will lead into this page where they need to enter their name and click on ask to join. After that, you will get notification like this, and if you click on admit, then he will able to join, otherwise not. So this is how you can share your entire screen in Google Chrome or in Google Meet. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel. See you in the next one.